Hey everyone, I thought I'd give you a demo of Dirk Wouters' CPM cartridge on the Commodore 64. So let's give it a whirl. So we've got CPM 2.2. JiffyDOS in the 64 and in the 1541 Mark II. And this is super quick to load. Bang, done. Look at that. All right, let's load up Soft 80 so we've got a better display to work with. So 80 columns suits more of the CPM software out there. Let's change color scheme to something that looks a bit better. At least it does on the LCD TV. So for those that don't know, Dirk Wouters took the Commodore CPM cartridge and reverse engineered it, made the changes that he thought was needed to get it to work reliably, and then has produced a number of revisions of that. And the PCB information is freely available from his website, so you can get it made through whatever PCB manufacturer of your choice, and it is extremely reliable. I've had the Commodore CPM cartridge, and to get it to work reliably was it just wouldn't. It would work sometimes, not every time. It would crash in the middle of doing something. It didn't matter what revision 64 you used it on. I had quite a few different versions and it wouldn't work reliably on any of them. Dirk Wouters' cartridge so far has been ultra reliable. He does say that there is the occasional glitch where you might switch your 64 on and go to load CPM and it will freeze. I think I've had that happen maybe 1 in 30 boots perhaps, so totally acceptable compared to the Commodore cartridge. Alright, so I haven't got a lot of CPM software. Few things I have downloaded though, and Zork is one of them, so let's give Zork a go. It feels so weird using a different operating system on the 64, but it's so cool. And after giving the 1541 Mark II makeover earlier today, lubricating the rails and other bits and pieces, and giving it a general service, it is so quiet. And there we go. Zork is up and running. I'm pretty crap at these games, but that's all part of the fun, isn't it? So there you go. CPM 2.2 on a re-engineered CPM cartridge. So cool. So much fun. Alright guys, thanks for listening.